Are you ready to experience one of Lake Maggiore's best tours and activities? This tour is perfect for the best explorers, but also for those who can't walk too much. So, relax, enjoy the tour, and find out our tips. Welcome to Tripilare. Like and subscribe. Okay, good, let's go. We embark from the pier of Verbania Intra on a boat called Battello in Italian, and our destinations are the Fisherman Island, Isola Pescatori, and the beautiful island, Isola Bella. Arrive at the pier or Embarcadero at least 15 minutes before departure, because you need the time to get the boat ticket. Buy the ticket for two islands, the Fisherman Island and the beautiful island. Embarking from Verbania Intra, we can admire the beautiful Verbania coast from Intra to Pallanza. In this part of the tour, it's better to sit on the right side of the boat, because on the side from where you can see the panorama better. We embark in the late morning. This way, after the beautiful panoramic navigation, we disembark on Fisherman Island, Isola Pescatori, for lunch in one of the good restaurants on the island. While navigating from Verbania Intra to Verbania Pallanza, we can see how many things there are to visit in Verbania. In front of Verbania Intra there is the mountain Sasso del Ferro, which offers a breathtaking view and a unique cable car experience. Beautiful! Beautiful! Along Verbania shore is the Arena Beach, suitable for relaxation, aperitif and dinner. There are the must-visit gardens of Villa Taranto. There is a beautiful pedestrian lakeside promenade that connects Verbania Intra to Verbania Pallanza. There is the Isola San Giovanni. It is a private island you can't visit, but the island is known for having been the residence of the conductor Arturo Toscanini. There is Villa Giulia, a villa with many exhibitions throughout the year, and its beautiful garden is public and free, a must-visit place in Verbania. During summer nights there is also music and you can dance. Just in front of Verbania Pallanza is the mother island, Isola Madre, which is also the first island we stop at on this tour. We only admire its beauty from the boat. We don't visit it because we have two other islands to visit. I think 3 islands in a day are too many to enjoy fully. It is better to dedicate another day to visiting the mother island. This way you can enjoy the beauty of the fantastic gardens and villa. You need to buy a ticket to visit the island. Usually, you don't need to buy it in advance. You can buy it directly on the island. While we start seeing the Fisherman Island and the beautiful island, our panoramic tour continues with the next stop, Baveno. Also, at this stop we don't get off the boat, but remain seated. At this point, move to the left part of the boat, because in a few minutes you will arrive at the Fisherman Island.
Prossima fermata, Isola Superiore dei Pescatori. Isola Superiore dei Pescatori.
Ciao from Isola Pescatori.
The Fisherman Island, Isola Pescatori, is tiny and picturesque, and you can't miss admiring it from the boat. At the Fisherman Island, You can have a good lunch in one of its best restaurants, relax, or explore the island. In summertime, you can't resist putting your feet in the water. After spending a few hours on the island, you can return on board the boat and go to the beautiful island Isola Bella. The most of the beautiful island is occupied by a gorgeous palace and its gardens that need a ticket for the visit. Anyway, there is one part of the island that is freely accessible. So you can reach the island and decide whether to visit the palace. For those with mobility problems, it is better to relax on a bench with a spectacular view of Lake Maggiore. But for all the others, at least one visit to the palace and gardens is a must. If you want to visit the palace, be sure to arrive at the island at least 1 hour before the palace closes. 1 hour and a half or 2 are even better. So you need to check the boat timetable. Be aware that the palace and gardens are closed in winter. The boat service operates year-round, allowing for accessibility to Isola Pescatori and Isola Bella throughout the year. Still, the Isola Bella Palace and Gardens are open from spring to the beginning of autumn. The palace and gardens are gorgeous. Anyway, the day spent on this tour will be unforgettable, with or without a visit. One time you finish your visit, get on board the boat for a final beautiful tour. At the conclusion of the day, nothing is better than admiring all this beauty from the boat just before sunset. The light is unique at this time of the day. The sunset on the lake is the last marvel of our beautiful day. Wow, really, what a beautiful day on Lake Maggiore. We're now back at Verbania Intra, so I greet you. Ciao! Please like and subscribe so we can meet each other again in the next video. Bye!